A sunny day near a forest. Two young dinosaurs, a brachiosaurus and a stegosaurus, are playing together. Do you want to go on an adventure today? I'm bored of playing the same games every day. An adventure? That sounds exciting. Let's go exploring in the forest. I heard there are many interesting things to discover there. Yeah, let's go. We'll look at this pretty flower. Look out! There's a big spider web in front of you. Don't worry, I'll save you. You're safe now. The spider web is destroyed. My hero! Thank you for saving me. Hello? What are you two doing in the forest? We're on an adventure. Do you want to join us? An adventure sounds like fun. But be careful. I saw some storm clouds gathering over there. We have to get back home before the rain. Don't worry, we'll be quick. Let's go explore the forest while we can. Look, there's a small hill we can climb. I can see the whole forest from up here. The storm is coming fast. We have to get home now. Phew, we made it just in time. That was a fun adventure. Hey look, there's a little yellow bird in a nest up ahead. Hello friends. What brings you to this forest today? We're on an adventure exploring the forest. I live here in this forest. It's very nice to meet you, birdie. We should get going now before the rain comes. Okay, bye friends. Be safe. Did you hear that? The storm is getting closer. We have to hurry. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye.